Hello friends, welcome to my channel. She says crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful motif, flower motif. Using this motif you can crochet afghan or the baby blanket, or even to decorate the house. You can make this projects. To make any covers also you can use this pattern. This is very easy and quick. If you are the beginner, you can crochet this very easily. And you are watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel with the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification. Also, to see other patterns on these motifs, flower motifs, or the blankets, or the baby wears, just check my playlist. I'll give the link below in the description box, or just visit my channel so that you can get all the videos. So without further delay, let's start our project. For this project I have taken here two colors of yarn. One is we'll start this project with the slip knot, and then I'm going to make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we made here 8 chains, and to the very first chain insert the hook and pull this yarn through this loop. So we made a slip stitch and then chain 3, 1 2 3. This we will consider as a double crochet. Yarn over, keep this yarn along with this chain, and then insert the hook into this, pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2. That's a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into this, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2. Again, insert the hook into this and I pull through the first 2 and the second 2. So here we got altogether 1 2 3 4 double crochet stitches, including these 3 chains. And then I'm going to make double crochets 5 and the 20th one. So I made here 20 double crochet stitches. Let's go to the third chain, 1 2 3. Into the third chain insert the hook and we'll make a slip stitch. Again, chain 3. This is our first double crochet. Into the same space we are going to make, into the same space, 1 double crochet. Yarn over, into the next double crochet. Under this 2 loop insert the hook and make 1 double crochet. Again, yarn over, into the same space we'll make 1 more double crochet. So we made here 4 double crochet stitches. Into the next also we'll make 1 double crochet and then 1 more double crochet. So we are going to continue into each double crochet 2 double crochet stitches. So we will get at the end 40 double crochet stitches. Now let's do the slip stitch into the third chain, 1 2 3 into the third chain. So we got here 40 double crochet stitches. Again, we are going to make chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, into the same space we will make 1 double crochet, and then into the next double crochet we will make 1 double crochet, and then into the third we'll make 2 double crochets, and to the fourth 1 double crochet. Again, into the fifth 2 double crochet, and to the sixth 1 double crochet. Like this we are going to continue 2 1 2 1 sequence. At the end of this row we will get 60 double crochet stitches. Make sure before you slip stitch to count the stitches. Into the very last stitch we'll make 1 single double crochet, and then I'm going to do the slip stitch into the third chain. Chain 1, we'll snip off this yarn. And then let's hide this excess yarn using the hook like this. So same like this, we need to have 6 motifs. I already made 5 here, 1 2 3 4, 5 and the sixth one. Now let's see how to combine this. Let's take our second color and I'm going to make the slip knot. Take the motif. This is our right side, this is our wrong side. Just keep like this. Insert the hook into the right side. Choose the last stitch where we did the slip stitch, it would be better, or you can choose any of this double crochet stitch, it's fine. Insert the hook into this double crochet, first one, and then take the other motif, keep the wrong side. This is our wrong side, so I'm going to face the wrong side to wrong side. Keep like this. There also just find the last stitch, it's here. Insert the hook into this and then pull this yarn through this. We'll make a single crochet just to secure this. Again insert the hook into this, same stitch, just pass through these two stitches and then make one more single crochet, and then leave the second motif like this. Just hold the first motif into the very next double crochet, make a single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. The first one we did the single crochet, I didn't count. Just right after that, from that stitch onwards, we made here 18 single crochet stitches. Now take the other motif just after this single crochet stitch. This is the one. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19th one. This is our 19th one. Okay, this is our 19th one. I'm just going to insert the hook into this. Insert the hook into the next double crochet and then pass this hook into the 19th stitch of the other side motif, and then pull this yarn like this, make a single crochet. So here we have joined these two motifs. Now from this point to here we have 18 double crochet stitches. So on the top of that I'm going to make single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and the last one, it is here, the 18th one. So here 18 single crochets we made, on the other side also 18 single crochet. Here we used one double crochet to make the single crochet stitches together. Here also we made one single crochet together. Now this is our point where we made the first single crochet. So I'm going to insert into the same space, on the other side also into the same space. We'll pull this yarn and we'll make a single crochet, Okay, again just keep this here, insert the hook into the same space. I'm going to take the other motif. This is the wrong side for this. I'm going to keep like this, the wrong side. So choose the last stitch, it is here, insert the hook into this, and then we are going to make the single crochet just to join. It's got joined. Now from this, now here it looks like this. These two we made already. Here we have, with this stitch, with this motif, we are going to attach the other one like this. So let's make one single crochet, 2, 3. So here I made 18 single crochet stitches. This is our 19th one. Into the 19th stitch I just insert the hook. On the other side also count it from here till the 19th stitch. Into the 19th stitch we are going to make the slip stitch or the single crochet, same like the previous round, and from here to here we are going to make one single crochet. We'll get 18 single crochet stitches in between, 1, 2, and to the last we'll make the 18th one, and then here we have one side left for this side, on the other side also. Now let's insert the hook into the very first single crochet where we did the first single crochet, and then into this also on the other side we'll make one more single crochet here, and then I'm going to take the fourth motif. Now 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to take the fourth one. I'll attach here, same way here, and the fifth one I'll attach here, and the sixth one here. So let's attach all these and then I'll meet you. So here I have attached other 5 motifs also. So the last one, it is here. I just joined the last one. This is our first one. Now let's do the same here. Insert the hook into the 19th one and count from here, 1, 2, 3. After this stitch, the first single crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is the 19th one. Insert the hook and make a single crochet. Turn this, same like the previous, we are going to make single crochet into each 1, 2, 3. So we have made here 18 single crochet stitches. Into the very first single crochet insert the hook, and on the other side here, just opposite to this, insert the hook under this, and then we'll make a single crochet just to secure, and then insert the hook into the next single crochet, first one, and then this is the first motif which we used before, we started with. So I'm going to insert the hook into this. This is the stitch, first one. Into the first one I'm just going to insert the hook to make the single crochet. One more time just to secure, and then from here to here 18 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19th one I just insert the hook, and then count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is the 19th one. Insert the hook, we'll make a single crochet, and then back to this point we are going to make the single crochet. 1 and to the last, the 18th one, and then inside the hook and to the very first single crochet, go just opposite to this stitch, just inside the hook like this, go opposite to this stitch, then we'll make a single crochet just to secure. Again, just inside the hook, just pass this hook through this single crochet stitches. This is the first one, this is the first one, here is the first one, and then here let's make a single crochet, and then into the next first stitch, 1 and into the other. Okay, and then into the next. So into each motif we are doing the same so that it will get secured. Again, finally just insert here, make the single crochet, and then insert the hook through this. We'll make one single crochet and then chain 1. Let's snip off this yarn, and then we are going to pull this yarn from here, just insert this and pull this yarn down. We can tie here this. So here we have finished our motif. So here our pattern is ready. This is how the motifs looks. I really believe that you have enjoyed this tutorial very well. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up before you leave the video. Also share with your friends and family if you think it will help any of them. So we'll meet you on next video with a different pattern. Thank you.